Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Achumi Sisters again. And here I am with another new vlog. At GDD ahiwa para na itu video de clip leta itaun dese and at the same time moi fale mola previous video de mola elder di thakshina so tahan bosi de aigna se so I just thought क्यों ना एक वीडियो बनाई जाए so aji itu video de moi as you can see the beautiful background behind me moi to alop show kordio and at the same time aji to December date one ase so didi khala bosti de tahat Advent Christmas la program banai kina se so moi tate jai kina itu video khan alop short banai diwa itu khan dikhai diwa and at the same time moi ta kheti de ase like didi khan la kheti de ase so tahan fruits khan kiki alop khan ne halikina sna fruits and then ne kiki na andaz yeah andaz go savida ne kiki holi moi dikhai diwa so please do alchina lagi in the side view till the end and kun kun new ase to channel de please do like share comment and subscribe to this channel kun kun from the beginning comment like and then share subscribe kan ko share thank you so much and please keep supporting like this and yeah konishna moi dia apna khan ke to views na apna khan dikhyo press moi itu views kan do video banai ke dikhai do and like itu video de dikhai do tate pineapples and kiki na chutu khan ase so I'll just show that one also and yeah please keep watch and do support us like that and yeah let's get started with our this video. So hello guys once again, as you can see how beautiful this view is. See guys, this is so pretty and the sun, wow, the reflection and all, it's too pretty. Look how God made this beautiful nature. It's too pretty, just like you and me. I just really can't get over with this beautiful, pretty and sweet view. See guys, wow, the cloud at the top of that mountain, it's too pretty. It's giving the beautiful vibe, okay guys, seriously. It's too pretty. See, wow. And at the same time, as you guys can see, the sun, it's too hot, okay? It's too hot. Wow, but it's it's like it's just wow guys, it's too pretty. Wow, see guys, there's one church, I forgot the name but it's too small, yeah, but I guess you guys can see this one now. Yeah guys, see wait like again and again it will view the guys now but it's too pretty, okay guys, I'm just loving the view. Wow, it's too pretty. So hello guys, I just reached the place pineapple jagade. As you can see, one and yeah, there's one more. See, this is too pretty, isn't it? Wow. I just like didi give the share so tai ko say they already took some and only few left here. So anyway, dikhai do jaga na. See, do they say so I won't be able to go there. I just show you guys from here and down there also, but Nedikina Balbra. And yeah, there's one more, but I guess it'll be oceanic. Yeah, it'll be ocean. And there's one more. See, wow, it's good. I really love pineapple, okay, guys. Wow, the pakis na. Yeah. Oh, again, there's one more. Yeah, sorry. Ito pakis eh. See, guys. I won't be able to like show you in the exact na because the view is so pricey. Tayo katakan mo so I might get hurt, so I won't be go there. Di mo ini view kan dikhai dias na pineapple aja kakan do. See, I think I got one more here. Look at this one. The itawi kachas na ito do. See, itawi kachas ito do. I'm out of my breath, I think. Yeah. See, I'll show you it once na. see. Upor dia sidi tadi upor dia sih. I won't be able to climb over there because jaha itu kondisinya mau jauh na pray. Yeah, seriously. I got one here. I think this one to Dongres na. Yeah, this one. Again, one here. Again, I got one more. Look at this, guys. It's pineapple lado. Ifali kutum like ifali end ko diwa.
जा कोई साथी है फिर भी निकल पड़ा ऊपर से शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है वही मंजिल है अब आओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आशिकी मिल गई कभी मचल 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 Game start.
Hello friends, I'm next Naga. Go on the big from the I'm me. That's how I'm going to start the day. I just saw a lot of the guys saying what about it. Only me, you don't know. Boy, la gambra ka give rag mata galay siya. I'm dito sa dialect from Marone. Ito ko. I'm ka dito ba na China sa bra. Gambra ka give bra higher brigand din din.
Hello. Ah, hello. Lawati.
Yan na ay shop sa ka na shi sai shi wan bi boy.
Oye, kwete.
Ya mai shi sai.
Kale. Ana zu.
Lu chota chuma ta.
Cuma.
Chuma.
Ha? Sige.
Shi na ipa nyo.
Cuma.
Christmas ka ba dili?
Ha? Kabati. Ito. Cuma. Ha? Cuma. Ha? Saan ka na?
Shi na ba na.